got scared and fell off it. No! Today I'm going to be starting a little series on this channel called Tricks I Suck At. We're going to start off today with a backside big spin. This is a trick that I've constantly just spun it and then just landed on the flip side of the board. I'm going to see if I get it today. If I don't get it today, I'm going to continue the backside big spin tricks I suck at until I land it. But we're going to try to move through all the tricks I suck at so I can get better at them, hold myself accountable, give you guys a little something that you can look forward to daily. So my biggest thing with this is that I'm really horrible at like turning my shoulders all the way or getting that full rotation. So I'm going to really try to focus on that. That's another fear that I have with this trick, is like landing on it and then face going right to the concrete. That's why I've always kind of avoided it. I'm a little injured right now, but I'm kind of going off the cuff here. I've literally never landed one of these. Oh! Stuck it on the nose of the board. No! New setup just rolled through the puddle. Hopefully it's a better spot. I'm gonna go a little faster because I have like no speed, right? You need speed to do a trick. Oh! Got my foot kind of on the scoop and then my other foot's kind of like right here in this position, so I'm just kind of trying to get it to rotate. I don't know what holds me back from this trick so often. Oh! Jeez. Oh, this trick scares me so much. If you guys know what I'm doing wrong, let me know. I can't quite figure this out. I think it has something to do with how I'm turning my shoulders probably and my foot positioning. Can't get it flat ground, but maybe there's a chance I can get it going up this bank first, and then we'll come back to flat ground. Let's give that a try. Okay. And that's another thing I have to fight. The turn in, keeping it underneath me. Oh! I gotta center my balance out a little bit more. My shoulders a little more. Let's try that. It's the ones where they're like floating that I feel really good about. I don't know who else doesn't have backside big spins, but hopefully this is relatable, because I'm out of breath at this point. Let's keep trying. There's a better with smaller bank over here. I'm gonna try going up that instead. This giant bank is like kicking my ass. Oh. I'm gonna full on go for this one. I think that's our biggest fear when trying new tricks, is like hurting yourself, right? Let's try to eliminate that thought for this one. Oh my God. I feel like it looks better, right? We're looking a little better here. I'm like dying over here just trying to land one. Let's try to fix up my form. Oh my goodness. Has to be my foot positioning. It's got it. I'm gonna change my foot positioning for this one. It's gotta be that. Oh my God. This is what it's come down to, watching tutorials, how to big spin. To big spin.
To make it do the full 360. As a first step to learning the big spin, I want you to work on doing a pop shove it, catching the front of the nose with your front foot. Step is that scoop.
I just want the scoop.
Pop shove it as you go around, because that's going to really help you get the full big spin.
That's what it looks like. I have to point my toe a little better. My foot's flat right now, so we're going to angle my foot a little more. Oh, that helped. That helped. We are so much closer. It looks a little better than before, right? We're doing better. Hit that subscribe button if you want to continue watching this series. Oh, what? I just stuck it. I think we're almost there. Oh my God. I'm so close. I think we're going to get this today. That's like all I need right there. Oh, all right. We're getting past some fears. We're working. Ah! Makes me feel like you're taking steps in the wrong direction. It's not a good feeling, but we're gonna work past that. We're gonna move past it. We're gonna clean the crap off my lens. I found the speed I need to go. It's not fast, but it's not slow. It's kind of like that in between. Oh my God, I'm right there. Oh, there was a stick. That's 2 sticks now. Oh, I think we're getting it today. Oh my God. Whenever I have my foot in the right position, it makes me feel like it's the wrong position. I don't know why. Oh, I really thought I had that. Oh, that's so hard. Oh, I just stuck it. What? I need to try that again. I can't just let that go. I gotta try it again. Oh, that was, I feel like I have to land it now. That's what I need to do. Oh. If anyone has any advice for big spins, drop it down in the comments. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. I'm very open to hearing some advice. That doesn't freaking count. Oh, it's so close. Oh, I got scared and fell off it. No. Oh, and I stick that. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, I'll be back tomorrow. If it doesn't snow the next day, I'll be back the next day. Oh. Alright, we're gonna come back for more. If you enjoyed this, be sure to hit that subscribe button for a continued series of tricks I suck at. Right now, we're gonna hit another day on the big spin until I land it. Come back another day and try a different trick once I land it. So continue that. So it'll be a whole tricks I suck at channel. Alright? Peace!